Number 1. The 1977 Mercury Grand Marquis, priced at $9,000. This car has left-hand drive with a mileage of 98,000 miles. Powered by a 400 big block engine, it has had an alternator and battery upgrade and a new drum brake master cylinder. All services have been well maintained. The car also comes with 4 new white wall tires. While it is very enjoyable to drive and easy to maintain, its size of almost 6.2 meters in length and 2.4 meters in width makes it difficult to store. There are some rust spots typical for its age, but overall the car remains solid. You will miss this car greatly. Number 2. The 1968 Buick Riviera, priced at $3,900. It features beautiful paint and interior, with extensive restoration work done, including a new exhaust, interior, vinyl top, brake, wheel cylinder, stainless steel fuel, brake lines, and rebuilt front suspension. The car has never experienced rust, and comprehensive work has been done on the valves, timing chain, front timing cover, and seal with adjustable oil pump pressure. The rear springs and shock absorbers have been replaced, and all chrome has been updated, showing extensive care and thorough restoration, making this classic car not only aesthetically appealing, but also reliable in performance. Number 3. The 1965 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $8,000. With a 2-door hardtop configuration, it is powered by a 352 FE V8 engine and an automatic cruise-o-matic transmission, and it also has power steering. The car has been repainted once and has minimal rust on the body. It starts, runs, shifts, and brakes well, though the carburetor might need some tuning. The condition is excellent both inside and out, indicating it has been well maintained and is ready for use by classic car enthusiasts. Number 4. The 1977 AMC Hornet AMX, priced at $3,400. This car is very rare, one of only 100. The owner decided to part with his dream project from his youth because he is moving and will not have the opportunity to restore it. The body of this car is very solid, perfect for a Restomod project. Weighing only 900 kilograms, it is a mini muscle car. With an LS swap, the results would be amazing, or it could be restored to its original condition. It is a very beautiful and rare model, with a complete interior needing only mechanical work. The owner also has a 304 AMC engine if you want it, but some parts are missing. Number 5. The 1960 Pontiac Strato Chief, priced at $6,200. This rare car has 2 doors, a 327 engine, and a 3-speed floor transmission. It is equipped with a new gas tank, new tires, a new battery, and a rebuilt carburetor with a tune-up. The engine runs well and has standard brakes and steering. Despite being over half a century old, the car is well maintained, showing that the previous owner took good care of it. The owner is not interested in trade-ins. Number 6. The 1965 Corvair Corsa, priced at $9,000. With a Fitch Sprint roof, it is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 140 HP air-cooled rear engine. The car has traveled 100,000 miles and was restored in 2012. Additionally, the car comes with a large number of new original parts and extensive documentation. The price is non-negotiable. The car is in excellent condition, having undergone comprehensive restoration and regular maintenance, making it ready for use or collection. Number 7. The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle, priced at $8,500. This is one of only 9,300 units ever produced, making it very rare and highly collectible. The car has been equipped with a newly built 350 engine and a new 411 12-bolt rear axle. The transmission has been updated with a shift kit, giving the owner the option to use it as a drag car or restore it to standard road conditions. It is the last model produced in that year, adding to its historical appeal. The owner does not accept trade-in offers. Number 8. The 1966 Pontiac Parisienne, priced at $5,400. This registered car has a 327 engine and an ultra-glide transmission, known for its reliability and power, ideal for classic car enthusiasts. The 327 engine is famous for its durability, while the ultra-glide transmission offers smooth shifting, enhancing elegance while driving. This car, with its iconic coupe body style, remains well-maintained, showing careful ownership. The owner may consider a trade-in with a 3 to 4 ton truck with a 5th wheel hook, ideal for heavy-duty transportation or recreation needs. Number 9. The 1969 Cadillac DeVille convertible, priced at $8,500. This is a valuable treasure. While not perfect, the car can still be driven anywhere without issues. This is a rare opportunity to own something very rare and hard to find. This car is one of the icons of its time, and its condition is quite good for its age, still being roadworthy. Number 10. The 1973 Ford Mercury Comet, priced at $6,100. It uses a 302 V8 5L engine in very good condition, having only traveled 62,000 miles. The car runs smoothly with a new battery and newly installed and polished American muscle chrome wheels. The interior features beautiful blue cloth seats and carpet. The engine has been fully maintained to keep its performance optimal, though there are minor misfiring issues common in vintage cars, not affecting overall performance. The car is in excellent condition, and the owner does not accept trade-in offers. Number 11. The 1967 Mercury Caliente, priced at $9,000. This convertible model uses a new 289 engine and a new roof, having undergone many repairs and inspections in October 2023. There are only 1,500 vehicles like this. The car is in very good condition with many updated components, making it an ideal choice for classic car enthusiasts looking for a unique and rare vehicle. Number 12. The 1966 Chrysler New Yorker, priced at $9,000. This sedan is ready for new adventures with you behind the wheel. It is a gem of 60s automotive craftsmanship and style. The car has features expected of a classic luxury car, including power steering, power brakes, AC, power windows, and electric seats. The interior is new with original colors and materials, including the carpet. Under the hood, this New Yorker has an original Ford 40 375 HP engine that has been completely rebuilt. The rebuild includes new internal components and a CompCam's 262 camshaft for extra power. The ignition system has been replaced and updated to ensure the engine runs smoothly. This 375 HP power is delivered to a freshly serviced 727 3-speed automatic transmission. All this power is transferred to the road with vintage Vogue wire wheels and new radial whitewall tires. Number 13. The 1976 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royal, priced at $9,000. With a mileage of 77,000 miles, the Delta is known for its strong and durable engine performance and elegant classic design. In very good condition, this car comes with a perfectly functioning air conditioner, all features working as they should, and dual exhaust providing a distinctive sound and additional performance. Check the video description if interested. Number 14. The 1962 Chevy Impala, priced at $8,000. The car still needs an engine installation, equipped with a Chevy 350 4-bolt main engine and a 400 transmission, along with original wheels. Additionally, there are extra parts available. Offers and trades are negotiable, including a possible trade-in with a 1966 Dodge Monaco. The Chevy is the latest choice for car enthusiasts ready to invest time and effort in reviving its past glory. Number 15. The 1962 Dodge Dart, priced at $3,900. With a 3-speed push-button automatic transmission and a 225/6 engine, it has traveled 100,000 miles. The car is still in solid condition, starting, running, and driving well. It has a new tinted windshield, all new brakes, master and wheel cylinders, springs, brake shoes, and drums, as well as new fuel lines, a new gas tank, and new wheel studs. Equipped with new Tiger Paw 195/70R14 tires, tune-up parts, and rare dog dish hubcaps. This car is perfect for car shows or summer cruises, ideal for someone looking to own a low-cost Mopar to work on. It does not need major repairs, and the trunk is full of extra parts, making it a good first car for learning, fuel-efficient, and easy to modify. You could install a Hemi engine in it. The latest video will always come with cooler classic cars.